Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening and thank you for tuning in here to the Breaking Ground. I'm Deepthi Sachdeva. Let's begin with our top focus on a story that a lot of you have been talking about. Why is Kangna, remember, coming under attack day in and day out? You had a former MP just about last week to a sitting minister, an MLA in the Himachal Pradesh state. Both are attacking Kangna. Why are they doing this? Kangna has spoken up on the entire issue and she says that I have become the favorite target of everyone because she says that I'm speaking up. I'm awakening the entire country. Having said that, on your screen you're looking at the image and the entire moment when this minister in the state of Himachal, and that too in the assembly, is making an absolutely obnoxious and a crass comment against Kangna. Now, what really give all these men, perhaps also people who are representatives, whether it's a former member of parliament that we just reported on last week, who had said that Kangna has a quote-unquote experience of rape, to this gentleman now, who has also issued a clarification because he realized that the story has been blown out of proportion. He said, it's the BJP that is twisting my words. I did not mean to insult Kangna. So without wasting time, I first up want you to hear exactly what we've heard from this particular minister in the assembly, and also watch how people around him responded when he was making this crass comment vis-a-vis Kangna.
जब सब कुछ ठीक हो गया, समय से मैं पहुंची वहां पर, और वो बरसात में वैसे भी नहीं आना था उन्होंने, क्योंकि मेकअप जो है सारा खराब होना था। फिर लगना था ये कंगना है या कंगना की माँ है, पता ही नहीं लगना था।
So he first speaks like that about Kangna, saying कि अगर उसके चेहरे पर मेकअप नहीं हो हम पहचान भी ना पाए whether this is Kangna or her mom. That is a sitting minister in the Himachal Pradesh Assembly. Later, he's also issued a clarification. Now listen into what he had to say hours after he makes that comment.
अब बीजेपी के लोग इस बात के लिए जाने जाते हैं कि वो हर बात को ट्विस्ट करते हैं। अब जो मैंने कंगना जी के बारे में कहा, मैंने कोई उनका अपमान नहीं किया। इट वॉज एक तंज था कि ऐसे मुसीबत के समय वो नहीं आ रही है। मैंने तो उसको एक तंज के तौर में कहा। मैं कोई महिलाओं का हमेशा सम्मान करता हूँ, मेरे कोई महिलाओं के प्रति कोई ऐसा कोई अपमान करने वाली बात नहीं।
Now let me tell you how has Kangna responded to what has been happening. Remember, there has been this, a lot of discomfort vis-a-vis Kangna and what she has said over the last few weeks, and this is also pertaining to the kind of comments that she had made vis-a-vis the farmer protest. And again, like I said, that you can disagree with what she says. You can protest against that. The party, the BJP in question, had also said that they do not identify with those comments, and they had said that Kangna should refrain from making any such comments henceforth. But having said that, why is she being targeted repeatedly by people who are in position of power? I fail to understand. Before I get you key questions that we are asking on this show, I want you to look at the kind of response that has come in from Kangna. Kangna has taken to the social media earlier. She's put out this long, list of multiple such instances and what she's feeling when something like this happens. And if you just read the opening two lines, you'll get in a sense that she really is disturbed. She's, remember, a progressive Indian woman. She has been a cine star. She enters into politics. You might agree, not agree with her body of work. You might agree, disagree with what she says. Everyone has a right to do that. But who gives us the right to insult Kangna? Right from a former MP, who had actually raised questions on Kangna and said that, quote-unquote, she has an experience of rape, to also today a sitting minister in the Himachal Pradesh Assembly, who's speaking of Kangna as if, she can be recognized only if she's wearing a makeup. Are people now crossing the line? Is there only politics in this entire story, or there is more to this story about mentality? Let's bring up on our screens the top 5 questions, and we'll ask these questions to a panel of guests. Joining us also, why is Kangna repeatedly being targeted? Is there a reason behind this? Has she become a soft target like she herself has kind of opined. This brings us to our second question. From a former MP to a sitting minister, can all these sexist slurs be normalized? Can this become business as usual? Should we not speak about this? The third big question, why has there been absolutely no action in both these cases? Remember, I'm just looking at a horizon of about a week. In this 1 week, there have been 2 sexist slurs against Kangna and no reaction in any of these instances, no action. This brings us to our next question. Is Nari Shakti then, ladies and gentlemen, just a slogan, a fancy slogan that all political parties will use for the Aadhi Abadi, also because you have more and more women voters now coming to the fore and speaking their mind? And this is our final question, that first you issue a sexist slur, you deride a woman, and later you either apologize or you issue a clarification. You say my comments have been twisted. आपने गलत समझा, हमारी वो नियत नहीं थी. Can this also now be normalized? Can this be completely okay for us? I want to now quickly introduce our panel of guests joining us without, wasting more time. And then we'll also get you remarks that were made by a man called Simranjeet Singh Mann. He remembers a former MP. No action again against him also, Rami. And I do remember that we all had spoken about this issue about a week earlier, exactly a week earlier. Nothing has happened. She's a noted author along with Professor Geeta Bhatt, who's also a political analyst joining us. Saif Khan is representative of the Congress. And Hakeem Rizwan Elahi is a political analyst. He's completing our panel. Saif, what is the action that you think should be taken against, this Himachal minister who says कि अगर कंगना ने मेकअप नहीं पहना हो तो उनको पहचानना मुश्किल है कि वो खुद कंगना है या उनकी मदर है?
Firstly, we don't support such kind of statements. Indian National Congress doesn't support such statements. But this trend was set by the Prime Minister itself. Let me remind you, Sawa Crore ki girlfriend.
Are you saying Saif, before you go down that road, Saif, before you go down that road, are you saying your Himachal minister is inspired by Narendra Modi? So Narendra Modi is responsible for everything.
Absolutely. Let's.
So maybe he should quit the Congress and join the BJP, right?
Allow me to speak.
No, Saif, please relax. No, Saif, I have to come in here because this is now crossing all lines, Saif. Saif, you're sitting here, you're defending your minister. You're defending your minister. You're dragging in Narendra Modi again here. Tell me, what has the Congress done about it?
I would like to know the recent remark which was made by Kangna Ranaut against farmers. What action was taken?
So are you justifying this?
I would like to know what action was taken against the Prime Minister. I would like to know after the statement was made by Daya Shankar Singh against the Mayawati, calling her the prostitute, what action was taken?
Saif, I do sense that maybe you're sitting with a list of all these remarks. I also have a list of these remarks that have been made by leaders cutting across political lines. Saif, please listen to me. I don't want to raise my voice. Saif, because in this din we are losing the purpose of this debate. I'm requesting you to please do not do this. The purpose of the debate is to ensure we do not normalize such sexist slurs against women who come and play an active role in politics. For a moment, Saif, please listen to me. Listen to me. I'm asking you a genuine question. The BJP is guilty? Yes, they are guilty. The Trinamool is guilty? Yes, even they are guilty. The Aam Aadmi Party is guilty. The SP is guilty. All parties, including the RJD, everyone is guilty. But I'm saying Congress is different. That's what you say. Rahul Gandhi says, Mohabbat ki dukaan hai. Have you taken any action against this man?
That is what I'm telling you. This trend has been set by the Prime Minister himself. Why are those, even Mohan Bhagwat ji says, India mein rape hote hain. That is okay with RSS chief itself. It is okay with calling a Prime Minister calling Congress ki vidwa. What action was taken? This has been...
So because they did not take any action, Saif, you will also not take any action. Is that what you're saying? At least say that.
BJP MLA says will kidnap girls.
Saif, you don't even have to repeat these comments, please. We all remember these comments. I am just speaking about the standards of the Congress party. And when you
We
have
don't
a
support.
sitting minister
It
who
is a
speaks
personal-
like
it is a
this
personal
against
statement.
a sitting
We-
MP,
Deepti,
a
listen to
sitting
me.
member of parliament,
Deepti.
Saif, tell me something that I do not know. I know all these responses that you're not listing
Absolutely.
out
This
from
is
all
not
political
allowed.
parties. What is the
Deepti, that
Congress
is what
doing
I'm
about
telling
this?
you. We do not support such kind of statements. Firstly, we absolutely, this is unacceptable, and we do not allow
So what will you do?
these. We will certainly take this decision will be taken by the heads of the Congress party itself.
When would that
But
be?
for now,
When
what
would
action
that
was
be?
taken against Modi ji? No, what action was taken against Modi ji? We will take an action, but Modi ji will remain the way he is, right? And the followers.
Because the
and
BJP
his
is not the
followership will
Congress.
continue.
No, Rahul Gandhi is
हम
not
action
Modi
लेते
ji.
हैं, और मोदी
Day
जी
in
नहीं
and day
करेंगे
out,
कुछ
you're
जो है.
speaking of this different ideology, a different
What
party.
action
So
was
show
taken
me how
against
you are
Kangana
different,
after the
sir.
remarks
Show
of
me
the
how you
farmers?
are different.
Deepti, what action was taken against farmers, against Kangana, when the statement was made by Kangana Ranaut?
When you say this, Saif, should I believe that you're kind of justifying what's been happening vis-a-vis Kangana because she said something that was distasteful,
It is actually
that was
it
not
is
welcomed
actually
even by the
difficult and
Bharatiya
we
Janata
condemn
Party.
that. We
So let's go
condemn
all out. Let's attack Kangana.
See, that is what I'm saying. We don't support such statements. It is a personal statement made by the Himachal minister itself.
Personal
don't-
statements should
we
be
do
made
not.
in some drawing rooms. Personal statements are not made in
Absolutely, but-
assemblies,
And
Saif.
how about Modi ji? The Prime Minister making such statements are allowed? Deepti, would you condemn
Saif.
the Prime Minister? No.
You
Deepti,
yourself,
would
you
condemn the Prime
yourself,
Minister?
you yourself
Mohan
do
Bhagwat,
not,
would you condemn
you do
the
not
Mohan
appreciate
Bhagwat
the merit of this argument that you're putting out, because this
No,
clearly
no.
tells us, Rami,
See,
that
Deepti,
no matter what,
to be
Saif,
taken care of.
you can have a Rahul Gandhi
taken
who
care
in
of.
Jammu and Kashmir has been holding Farooq Abdullah Saab's hand and he's saying nafrat ki dukaan और मोहब्बत की दुकान बहुत कुछ बोल लेते हैं. Walk the talk now. Show me that you really mean what you say. Act against this minister. Act against himself. You are not doing that. Instead, what you're doing is hitting out at the BJP, which is obviously politics. But Rami, clearly there is some reason. You know, there is a reason why a Simranjeet Singh Maan can also get away by making, a comment like, Kangana ko experience hoga rape ka, to a sitting minister in the assembly speaking the way he has about Kangana.
Absolutely. Good evening, Deepti. I'm glad that you're picking this topic up again because, it shows us a trend. Over and over again, every debate that we've debated on this sort of misogyny, we've seen it being politicized. This is not about women's issue for them. This is about political score settling. And it doesn't matter if it hurts a woman or if it hurts all the women of India, if it hurts, the kind of opportunities that they have, the kind of integrity that they have, it doesn't matter to them. Last time it was a Congress spokesperson who got so agitated that sitting here, called you and your entire profession a word that should not ever be repeated on national television. Today, I see the Congress spokesperson deflecting the whole problem on another political party instead of having the grace, instead of having the sensibility of accepting or taking ownership for a very problematic statement. Now, the fact is, Kangana is just a figurehead of, the symptoms of the greater problem that we have, The problem is that misogyny has been, it's permeated into society and into men's minds to such an extent that they cannot deal with a woman who dares to disagree with them, who lives an independent life that isn't a stereotype, isn't what society accepts, and they somehow equate that to the woman having no self-respect, so they lash out at her given every opportunity. Now, I heard the snippet that you showed that, this gentleman saying that makeup utar ke she'll look like her mother, and this is not an insult. I'm just saying it as a punchline. Women are a punchline for him. I mean, this is absolutely ludicrous. You know, he comes from the state of Himachal Pradesh where they're going through a bankruptcy. They can't pay their salaries. You know, there are far more important problems that he should be looking at. Instead, what does he decide to do? He decides to make a mockery, and in that video, you can see other men laughing at it.
Yes, and you know, Rami, another thing that I've asked myself whenever we sit on a debate like this, and I want both Geeta and Hakeem to come in here, is that why haven't we heard such kind of comments being made about any man? I don't recall. You know, men are not objectified. For men, it's not like, you know, you make a sweeping comment like this and later say, अच्छा आपने गलती से ऐसे समझ लिया होगा, हमने ऐसा मीन ही नहीं किया था. And Hakeem, you know, how would you respond to a lot of people who've asked us this question that Simranjeet Singh Mann, when he made that comment, did the Aam Aadmi Party book him? Till now, it's been exactly 8 days. You haven't booked that man, who again had hit out at Kangna. May I ask why?
First of all, let me tell you, whoever you know goes against the you know ethos of the dignity of what the women's hold, or you know our women hold in our society or in the nation, that idea or that person or that clan should be, you know, taken into consideration or you know, keep at the bay in the society. But the problem here is when we become selective. Selective means whatever narrative suits us, we just, you know, push that narrative, you know, in front of the people.
Are you speaking this about yourself, Hakeem?
No, I'm talking about the Bharatiya Janata Party, what they have been doing. Whenever
Forget about the BJP, right?
What?
No, is Kangna becoming the favorite punching bag because she's a BJP MP? And her own party, I don't understand, Rami and Geeta ji, why has the party also not taken this up? No, Hakeem, wait. I will tell you something now. I want to bring up the picture of this man called Simranjeet Singh Mann. Okay, you have an Aam Aadmi Party. You have an Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab. Tell me that you will book him. Why have you not booked him? Are you scared because of the upcoming elections in Haryana? Because you don't want to upset the apple cart there?
Ma'am, आप मुझे बताइए हमारी बेटियां कितनी देर धरने पे थी, दिल्ली में बैठी थी कि हमें न्याय दीजिए.
अरे तो अगर वो गलत है हकीम, तो ये भी तो गलत है ना.
क्यों नहीं मैडम, क्यों
आप भी तो सिलेक्टिव हो रहे हैं ना.
स्लर इतना बड़ा बन गया, आज ये स्लर इतना बड़ा बन गया, लेकिन जब हमारी बेटियों का रेप होता है.
नहीं, सुनिए क्या हकीम, आर यू सेइंग कि ये तो बहुत छोटी सी बात है वर्सेस व्हाट कंगना हैज सेड?
आई एम नॉट सेइंग ये छोटी है, आप तोड़ मरोड़ के
ये बिल्कुल आपने यही बोला है.
छोटी चीज है ये, आप तोड़ मरोड़ के बोल रहे हैं न्यूज़पेपर में. मैं कहता हूं
मीडिया ये सब कुछ गलत समझती है हकीम, बिकॉज politicians being politicians, Hakeem, then tell me before I get in Geeta ji into the conversation, why have you not booked Simranjeet Singh Mann?
दिल्ली में जो एक MP,
why have you not booked him?
ब्रिजभूषण, क्यों नहीं उसे सजा मिली आज?
Why have you not booked Simranjeet Singh Mann?
मैम, इस चीज से जब तक हम बाहर नहीं आएंगे ना, देखिए पॉलिटिक्स चलती है. रिजवान इलाही आज सपोर्ट करेगा कि जो मेरी पार्टी को सूट होता है या मुझे सूट होता है, तो फिर तो इंसानियत ही नहीं रही ना. Then I'm not a human. I'm just a piece of whatever.
You haven't answered my question.
What is your question, ma'am?
Why have you not booked this man?
Ma'am, am I the authority?
You represent the Aam Aadmi Party, right?
No.
You lean towards the Aam Aadmi Party. Why has the AAP not done this?
To book anybody? Am I the authority to book anybody?
No, clearly, because the Chief Minister will not come on a debate like this, and clearly all of you can get away by saying a lot of other things. You can attack the BJP. Please do that.
The patriarchal. See.
Hakeem, please attack the BJP. Ask them questions, but then look within also. No, look within also. Geeta ji, I'm a little confused. Geeta ji, the BJP had put forward a statement saying they do not agree with the kind of comments that Kangna has made. They cleared their position. But after that, you have had 2 episodes where Kangna has been repeatedly targeted. Why is that happening? You think this is only political, and because the BJP is not opening up again because you have important elections in Haryana, and you're looking at all political parties, you know, obviously looking at votes. They don't want to be looking like siding with Kangna right now because that could upset a lot of other people.
Well, Dipti, I think when women together as as an electorate, as a powerful electorate force, when they will emerge, I think then all the political parties will be very, very careful in how their political leadership, they come out and pass very lurid and loose comments. And it is not on some, just any woman. It is a parliamentarian that we are talking about. She is a member of parliament. She's been elected by lakhs of people in her constituency to represent her in the parliament. And I mean, it is very unfortunate, but this is something which, repeatedly, just like we are talking about the political leaders of different parties, making very, slurs on, in a way, these are slurs on her, the kind of comments that have been made on her by Congress Party of Himachal Pradesh, minister,
Yes.
and also Aam Aadmi Party. The point is that if you look at the kind of misogyny, I think is quite normalized in Congress Party. Very recently, their minority Congresswoman leader, when she talked about the casting couch in Kerala, she was immediately removed, and no one is ready to even answer. I mean, you see their national spokesperson when is asked, she completely refuses that I'm not going to answer this question. And even in past, you see in Assam, there the Congress Party's youth woman president, she had accused Srinivasan Bivi, their All India President of Youth Congress, of sexual harassment, and she was immediately removed from the party. So I think it is important not just for Congress Party, but for all political parties, that these are issues when it comes to women and how they are being talked about in the public space by their political leaders. If this is not going to be addressed, I think people who are watching this debate or across the country, this is sending a message that this particular political party, the XYZ, what is their stand when a woman is raising an issue about her safety, about her concern within her political party or in any society. That is. The political parties are just, keeping their eyes closed for it.
Okay, I just want to take the last 10 seconds to Saif, and then we'll close this conversation for paucity of time. Saif, what should be the action against this minister? Only speak about the minister.
Why specifically just one minister? Obviously, our party will take any action, but in the past, did any action was taken against the Prime Minister himself?
So you have proven the hypocrisy also of the India Alliance, that is going after the BJP when it comes to women's safety. Saif, do not look at the list, and in your list, please add the name of this Himachal minister also. Please add the name of this Himachal minister, and please show this list to Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi if possible. Maybe the next time we are sitting on a debate, you will have a better answer to give to all of us. Geeta ji, Rami, Saif and Hakeem, for the moment, thank you to all of you for joining us. We'll track that story heading into a break.